Cryptocurrency is, in my opinion, the best investment that you can make ever. Okay, but it's not investment advice because I'm not an accredited investor, or basically I'm not allowed to advise people on their investments. Thanks, government. Glad you can help me get 1% returns on these bonds while you inflate the economy. I don't know, like 15% annually or more right now, but it's just transient. Alas, not the point of today's video entirely. Today, we're gonna be looking at cryptocurrency exchanges, and specifically a cryptocurrency exchange you can basically invest in, because after there's just simply cryptocurrencies and coins and tokens you can buy into, there's cryptocurrency infrastructure you can back. Like we recently covered ENS, Ethereum Name Service, which is literally Web 3.0 infrastructure, Ethereum infrastructure. It's a very interesting and roundabout way that you can expose yourself to the upside associated with this whole, crypto thing, right? Because crypto is much more than just magical digital internet money. It's a revolution. It's changing the way that we're going to know and do everything moving forward. So today we're going to be focusing on a cryptocurrency exchange. But first we're focusing on Tails, our resident Shiba Inu Doge, and the best Doug in the world. My name is Vosk. This is the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Slap that subscribe button. Today this video is made possible thanks to LordToken. If you're looking for the best way to earn passive income, that's going to be mining cryptocurrencies. Specifically, Compass can help you start mining Bitcoin today. And not only do they sell Bitcoin miners, but they will connect you with co-location mining farm hosting facilities. Learn more about Compass by clicking the link in the video description below. As a quick reminder, everything on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. VoskCoin does not provide financial advice. So, with that said, let's get to having some fun. Binance Cloud. Build your crypto business in minutes. But why would you build with Binance Cloud? You basically get Binance's liquidity, you get the security, you get the performance, you get the independence. Basically, you get everything that's good about Binance, but you can put your own label on it. Binance Cloud, put simply, is a white label for Binance. Obviously, they're taking a cut, and all the liquidity that your exchange would then generate, well, it helps theirs. So the big man gets bigger because Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by very far. They are winning the game significantly. Like, let me tell you, it's not even close. And you compare that with decentralized exchanges, again, it's not even close. 24-hour volume on Uniswap V3, $2 billion bucks, compared to Binance, 45 billion. Okay, so as it stands, Uniswap will just barely crack the top 10 centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, which is really cool. And decentralized exchanges are still very new, and Uniswap doesn't have a ton of cryptocurrencies listed on it. Trader Joe is just doing absolutely incredible, like all things considered, which we recently talked about them and the Grow airdrop and everything like that. But to be honest, it's quite fascinating to see that momentum and that growth. And of course, PancakeSwap, with a never-ending number of coins on the Binance Smart Chain, has incredible volume there too, 1.5 billion. But again, 1.5 billion, well, that would have you losing. Maybe you would edge out Binance US, which is just another, little tentacle off of the Binance octopus monster. We recently talked about LTT and the LordToken. So if this video is interesting to you, I'll link this one out below. I recommend you check that one out. But the big takeaway here is that it's a French futures exchange, and it's the fourth to be powered by Binance Cloud. LordToken has then EU, European regulation. Okay, that's very interesting, as most exchanges are coming out of Asia and other regions, or US and heavily regulated. But LordToken is looking to leverage that Binance power and then add on other things to it. For example, one of the things they have, other than obviously an exchange, it's coming soon. And we recently reviewed another Binance Cloud powered exchange. So here's some footage into that exchange, and you'll see that LordToken is very likely to look, well, a lot like Binance. And with just a couple clicks, they would be able to deploy their own affiliate referral system. And referral systems are very powerful. Some people forget I don't forget because we covered Binance when it was literally like $1 for a BNB. And understand that it's trading well over $600 per BNB Binance coin right now. And understand that if you were a VoskCoin subscriber back then and you saw that, and when I said, hey man, there's no way this thing fails with the way Binance is backing it, putting their weight behind it, and above all, if Binance succeeds and does well, which everything was pointing to it doing incredibly well already, then the BNB is going to be a good play. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a Doge dad, right? Again, it's not financial advice. But what I can tell you is Binance is number one for multiple reasons. Their interface is good, it's effective, but they were pushed incredibly far forward with their referral program, right? Everyone's like, dude, Binance is sick. They're adding all these coins. Come trade there. And if LordToken implements that well, that could be the case too, because what's cool about being powered by the Binance cloud is that LordToken gets free reign. You like what I did there? On all tokens, all cryptocurrencies, all coins that they list on their exchange. They obviously have easy access to deploy tokens that Binance has, but they also have the ability to add their own, which, to be honest, I think is one of the coolest things about Binance Cloud. But as good old Billy Mays says, RP, my friend, there's more. LordToken by the future, automation, 24/7 open market with exceptional performance. The crypto market is a land of opportunities. I agree with that. I believe that. Beginners or seasoned crypto investors, boost your performance with the copy trading service. We talked about competitor copy trading services before, but they're interesting, right? Because with copy trading services, there can be a history established, a reputation, and say, Junior 25/7 is just this dang prodigal genius. He actually figured out a way the technical analysis worked long term. And guess what? He's been killing it in the trades. He's been killing it so much that you can't match his just laser sharp focus. He doesn't sleep. He's cracked out on 27 freaking monsters and Red Bulls. And you got a family. It's hard for you to stay up to date, watch charts all day, and make those trades, whatever. That's where copy trading can be so cool and interesting. Basically, you tag along and you get a percentage of the rewards. You put in your own capital, right? So say you copy trade him with 1 Bitcoin, and then he makes 1 Bitcoin for you that day. But there's always a catch with copy trading. The platform's probably going to take a cut, and also the copy trader gets a cut. So say 20% goes to the platform, and then 20% goes to the trader you're copying. Then you would be getting, instead of 1 Bitcoin additional rewards, you would be getting 0.6 Bitcoin. But can you really complain when you're not doing anything yourself? You little piggyback and leech? Well, there is one other thing to understand with copy trading. You have a lower upside than if you're making these trades yourself. But if those trades get obliterated, you don't just lose. You don't get a rebate on your loss. You could lose it all, right? You lose 100%, but you could only gain 60%. But statistically, if the numbers fall in the right direction, it can make sense at some point and simply work out. LordToken is also launching a finance section, so I'm really curious to see all the things that can come out of that. Lending services, maybe, we put a little we get a little bit of decentralized finance action. I don't know, just ways to make money, get your coins working for you. But they have their LordToken ICO going on here. And again, sorry LTT, Mr. Linus Tech Tips, do you like free money? Free money? Well, too bad they took your token ticker. This is going to be LTT, the LordToken. As it stands, LordToken has raised over $6 million, and they are working on round 2 as they hope to raise $10 million, and they are already 10% of the way there. You can pursue investing with LordToken by clicking the participate button on there. I'll link it out in the video description below if you'd like to do so. There's basically a month and a half left for them to, try to reach their stretch goal here. As it stands, over $6 million should definitely get you going on anywhere you want to go. They also raised $1.7 million at the beginning of the year, excluding the ICO. So realistically, they should have about $8 million in raised funds right now. But let's look at the FAQ. The default fee for trading on their incoming platform would be 0.1%, and discounts will be affected based on or related or adjusted based on trade volume as well as the number of LTT in the account. So buying the LTT LordToken token, is that what it means? LordToken token? LordToken token. With that, obviously, it gives you a way to invest into cryptocurrency exchange infrastructure, but it also will play into a role of rebates. So if the exchange does well and you use it a lot, it really only makes sense. But again, that's entirely up to you. Looking at the auto trade right now, there's no fees on the auto trade. The service will be made available and traders will be free to impose any service fees they wish to be copied. So answering the question earlier, they're not taking a cut from the copy trading on the front, but the traders being copied will have some sort of sliding scale that they're able to enact and thus reap additional rewards from. So they claim they're going to have 24/7 support via chat and administrative service available Monday to Friday, 9 to 12 and 2 to 6. Yeah, that is so European. Round here is 9 to 5, baby, if not more. Forget fishing with a P. You're not allowed to catch fish on their exchange. So you better watch out for that, because they got the no fish allowed. No catfishing, no fishing with your little worms, no stealing information fishing with peas either. And one key thing to remember with this cryptocurrency exchange is the simple fact that they will be implementing KYC, Know Your Customer. If you have questions for LordToken, I encourage you to just drop them down in the comments below, as well as join their Telegram group and ask them there. LordToken is a public team, which you should expect from a cryptocurrency exchange that has KYC, Know Your Customer. I'll link out the LinkedIn that will bring you to their company profile, and you can look into all their members. Again, you're going to see French names. This is a French project. This is a French cryptocurrency exchange. The other thing I do want to touch on before we round out today's video is the fact that LordToken is also implementing a Launchpad. And this makes LordToken, in essence, a platform they can then host IEOs or initial exchange offerings, letting cryptocurrencies launch on their exchange, on their platform. This provides unique utility that can integrate their token in a unique way here, and it can really just kind of create a lot of interest in initial trade markets for cryptocurrencies to launch. So with the LordToken Launchpad, it aims to be a global launchpad for a lot of projects. KYC upstream of projects, relevant search engine by vertical, simple and smooth subscription engine, dedicated management space. So basically, the Launchpad is doing stuff, highlighting the project to the public. Subscription automation, reporting space for analytics, simplifies and personalized project onboarding. So as it stands, LordToken is a new cryptocurrency exchange based out of France that is going to be regulated by the EU, right? And that provides an interesting level of just potential engagement, because there's not a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges out of there as opposed to, say, the Asian region. On top of that, they're building much more than an exchange, all these other features that we've already discussed in this video. And I think the most powerful thing is the simple fact that they are backed by Binance Cloud, and Binance is nothing short of an absolute behemoth. So if you found this video interesting, I suggest you subscribe to the next behemoth, but in crypto YouTube. That's going to be your boy. I'm not stopping until you think I'm a behemoth, and I hope that's not just weight gain, because I've put on a couple pounds recently. I've been stress eating, okay? So whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment. I appreciate all of you who take the time to tune in and view our videos every day. We're posting daily now, so that means I will see you tomorrow. Please be advised, there are scammers impersonating us on multiple platforms. I don't want your money, I just want you to smash that subscribe button. Everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. That means it's not financial advice.